So today we're going to change the paper in this Brother QL-820NWB. That's right. Now if we'll take a notice, first things first, let's look at the side here. See how that's not coming out? But you see this side, I'm just going to yank that whole thing up. Can you do that? Thank you so much, camera lady. Now we see how this sits. So it goes in easily. As I can't do it, there we go. Right? Now. Now I gotta remember the correct way because
Yes,
the
that's
arrow.
The arrow. Give me.
Maybe it'll focus. There we go. Arrow gives it away. Boom. Here's the secret. You see this little notch right there?
Mm-hmm.
The notch goes in the notch. So that you get a nice tight squeeze.
Okay. We'll bring name tags for getting printed put in. Okay. Come see the after search for what we're searching. Oh, because I'm hoping our shoot today doing service, so you better get me.
Here's what I'll do because if I can use the scissors, here we go. And then this is how you do that. Thank you, like and subscribe.